In this video, I am going to tell you about science textbook of class 7 for TS students, Telangana state students of class 7. And this is a cover page and textbook development committee page, authors, illustrators, DTP designing, etc. And this is a foreword and what is the importance of the book, etc. is given in this textbook clearly. And before going to the textbook, this is about academic standards, teaching, learning strategies, conducting activities, about assessment of the textbook prepared by the government of Telangana state for class 7 students. And these are the great scientists in science. They have given many contributions in science, and they are Jagadish Chandra Bose, Acharya Prafulla Chandra Roy, Srinivas Ramanujan, Sir C.V. Raman, Meghnad Saha, Salim Ali, Homi Jahangir Baba, S. Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Hargobind Khorana, Dr. M. S. Swaminathan, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Let us salute all the great scientists. So students, this is about the Constitution of India. This is one of the page in your textbook. And academic standards. Before going to academic standards, we should know what all the teachers should remember and read this page perfectly. This is about conceptual understanding, asking questions and making hypotheses, experimentation of and field investigation, information skills, communication through drawing, model making, appreciation in aesthetics and values, application to daily life, concern to biodiversity. And before going to read about this textbook and learn different topics regarding science, we should know about the academic standards first. Teachers and students both should read this page compulsory. And what is conceptual understanding? And here the children should be able to cite examples and give comparison and differences, giving different examples and of different concepts in the given textbook. Children should be able to develop their own brain mapping and asking questions and making hypotheses. Children should be able to ask questions to understand concepts, to clarify their doubts about the concepts and participate in discussion. They are able to generate results on the issue of proper reasoning and able to predict the results of experimentation and field investigation. Children are able to do the experiments, especially in science we do experiments. So this academic standard is very important to teachers as well as science students, and the children should be able to do the experiments in the given textbook and develop on their own idea, able to arrange the apparatus, record the observational findings, suggest alternative apparatus, take necessary precautions while doing the experiments. They should be able to alternate experiments by changing variables. They are able to participate in field investigation and prepare reports. Another academic standard is information skills and projects. The children are able to collect information related to concepts given in the textbook by using various methods: interviews, checklist, questionnaire, analyze the information and interpret it, able to conduct project works also. Communication through drawing and model making. Children are able to communicate their conceptual understanding by the way of drawing pictures, labeling the parts of diagram, by drawing graphs, flow charts, and making models. Appreciation and aesthetic sense values. Children are able to appreciate the nature and efforts of scientists and human beings in development of science and have aesthetic sense towards nature. They are also able to follow constitutional values. Application to daily life, concern to biodiversity. Children are able to apply the knowledge of scientific concepts they learn to solve the problem faced in daily life situations, recognize the importance of biodiversity and take measures to protect the biodiversity. And these are about academic standards page in class 7 textbook of science. And make sure that teachers and students should know properly about this academic standards and then go through the each and every concept in the textbook given. So this is index, and here are the topics and chapters. Food and components, acids and bases, silk wool, motion and time, heat measurement, weather and climate, electricity, air, winds and cyclones, reflection of light, nutrition in plants, respiration in organism, reproduction in plants, seed dispersal, water, soil our life, forest our life, changes around us, and finally the revision. So friends, next videos, upcoming videos, I'll explain you about each and every chapter and the class 7 science textbook given and prescribed by TS State. If you like my video, please share, comment, subscribe.